We're out here to gather input from the public about the future for Highway 65, basically between County Road 10 and Spring Lake Park up to Bunker Lake Boulevard in Ham Lake. We're going to talk about some of the issues that we're facing out here and look at what we can do to improve mobility. One of the issues that we hear from people a lot is the fact that it's very congested. It takes a long time to get from point A to point B out here. Obviously the cross traffic has issues trying to get across the roadway or to merge into traffic on 65 during the rush hours in the morning and the afternoon. People have complained that the pedestrian and bicycle trails are not very conducive to use out here too. And obviously a real safety issue there for walkers and bikers.
A couple years ago, the counts came out that Highway 65 was carrying as much as 35W, which is a freeway. So it's not a passing grade, and our goal is to get as much information out to everybody.
MnDOT has to work with the county and the cities to come up with these solutions. We get a much better solution for the public when we all work together collaboratively. No option is off the table. That's why we're out here. We want to get the public's input on what they see as the issues and the problems, and also we want to get their ideas for what we might do to improve that. Any idea that people have, please share it. And the one thing I really want to stress is we're out here trying to gather the information from the public, and if the public doesn't attend the meetings or doesn't go onto the website and provide feedback, we're not going to get a good picture of what people want done with this highway. So I strongly encourage people to come out to the meetings. This is the first of more than one meeting, obviously. This is just our start, and we've got a lot of things to look at.